Today we're going to demonstrate for you this More and More. You might not have heard of More and More, but they were a quality manufacturer of pianos in their day. This one dates to the 30s, and it's what I would describe as a traditional upright that's a cut above the other traditional uprights you might see, which have a tone that you might liken more to a pub piano. This has something a bit different about it. I'll just play it for you so you can hear that. A bit of Clair de Lune. Hopefully you can hear that coming across on the video, that clearer treble that it has and that powerful bass that you get with the longer string in a taller upright. So for someone who wants a traditional style piano that plays well, you can see there More and More on the frame, famous British pianos. Now this has had a restoration in the recent past. In the 20 years or so ago, it's had all new tapes, new dampers, everything that was needed to be replaced was replaced. As you can see here, the hammers have a pear shape to them, and there's a lot of life left in this piano. It's been serviced and tuned to A440. Or concert pitch. It's overstrung and underdamped with a full iron frame. You can see here, if you look at the dampers, all lifting off nice and evenly. Sometimes on an older piano, they're lifting off at different times. There's the soft pedal, the damper pedal there, allowing you to control the dynamics. So I'll play a couple of more staccato pieces so you can see the action working now. A bit of Bach Goldberg. I'll just play a little bit of swing, sort of jazz, so you can see it in its element. There you have it, the More and More.